You need a package of turkey meatballs, a 24-ounce tomato sauce or marinara sauce, a pound of pasta, some oregano leaves, Italian seasoning, and parsley flakes. Heat your oven to 425. Take it out of the oven and your macaroni is al dente. You want to put your 2 cups of Italian cheese. You want to put it back in the oven for 10 minutes for the uncovered until the cheese is melted. Now sprinkle it with a little Italian, parsley, and oregano. You've got a simple, easy dinner. Add salad and crusty bread. Y'all come back now, you hear?